Chanel Matthieu Blazy, unboxed with me. Double unboxing from Chanel. It's been a minute. The new Matthieu Blazy collection that everyone is obsessed about, right? All over the internet, huge one. So let's do it real quick, okay? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm a fashion freak, a luxury lover, a shopaholique, a Chanel crazy person, and today we're doing a quick Matthieu Blazy Chanel unboxing and a little discussion about the new collection that everyone is obsessed with. So if that's something you're interested in, please stick around. Please smash that like button. Please consider subscribing and keep on watching. Okay, so I got two things. So as you guys know, Matthieu Blazy's first collection of Chanel came out in March for Fashion Week. They timed it during Fashion Week, Women's Fashion Week, which is a really great strategic move, I think. If anybody knows about this collection, if anything's gotten anything from this collection, let me know in the comments below what you've gotten. The bags that everyone was obsessed with, in my opinion, were the little round one, the new Chanel 26, which I saw but didn't take, and I saw the round one too, didn't take. But the ones I really wanted was the big maxi flap, which is the giant Chanel, but like it's a maxi flap version, but kind of soft and squishy and like a supple leather that's a little more like, I don't know, red tornado, what is it called? Like where it like, it's like slouchy. It's slouchy leather. It's a leather strap only. That one, and then the big tote one that's kind of like a work tote, like that like all the celebrities wore that was super popular. I was trying to get one of those too. I think I'm leaning more toward the maxi flap one than the other one. I was not able to. I feel like I didn't even know until I got there. I was there for Fashion Week. I didn't even know, so I didn't think to ask my SA beforehand to try to get it. I didn't message her, and my SA is at the Cambon. They're doing Cambon store, so that's like the flagship. I feel like maybe I could have, but they only got a few, and it was like really hard. But then some people said they went in and they were offered it, so who knows? Anyway, I didn't even know about it. So when I was in Paris, I went to a few different Chanel stores and couldn't find anything. And then I went around Europe to a bunch of other Chanel stores, like Vienna, London, Zurich, like every of these places. No one had it. Some of it they hadn't even launched yet. It was like a week or two later from the launch. And then everyone else was just like, it's waitlist or it's pre-spent or whatever, blah, 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 blah. It's like waitlist or it's like VIP clients are already offered it and they're waiting on it. So I wasn't able to get any. If anyone has gotten them, let me know in the comments below if anyone was able to get it. I tried in the US too. I texted a few of my essays here at the different stores, Bergdorf's, Neiman, everywhere. No one has it. So I don't know if they made it super limited and hard to get or they're trying to do a little like kind of Birkin-y vibe here. But anyway, I didn't get it, but I didn't want to leave empty-handed, so I did get two other things. One, kind of like just, you know, you're only allowed to get one small leather good and one bag per month. They've made exceptions for me at my home store, but this was not my home store, so I was only able to give it one-on-one. And I had been looking at this bag for a while, so I thought, why not? They brought it out in this new style, which is from Matthieu Blazy's collection. And it's the, you know, I looked at the small size, medium size, a huge shopping vlog. I think I posted it if you guys haven't seen, but it is the Chanel 25, but in the denim, in the dark denim. So they did a light denim earlier, but this is, I think, Matthieu's first collection dark denim with the light gold hardware. And it's really cool. It's not the most practical bag, but it is very trendy and stylish. I mean, I'll probably wear it for a little bit and then get over it. But, so it's got one pocket in the front, which fits your phone easily. One pocket in the back, which also fits your phone. It's a drawstring kind of closure. It's not the most secure. It's only shoulder. A lot of things I actually don't like about it, but I was like, I have to get it. And then it's got a pocket inside for cards and then two interior pockets too. And it's kind of like cloth material, but it's very cool. And it like goes with everything. And you know, like it'll be a fun bag for a little bit and then it'll probably sit in my closet forever after I get bored of it. And the other one I got was this small little munchkin, which is a Chanel small leather good technically, but I thought it was really cool because it's different from, I have so many wallet on chains and I'm so tired of it. They also all now come with this Chanel and Moi thing, which is your 5-year warranty and things like that. And I think they're being a little more hard about like how many you can get, but also like you'd have to repair and everything like that, but also like tracking it now. So I got this it's a little top handle piece, also with light gold hardware. It's kind of like, you know, like that Loro Piana one. There's the smaller, the regular kind of the regular chevron, no, what it's called, whatever Chanel's crisscross pattern is. And then this is a little bit of a larger size. It's great. It fits your phone and it'll fit like, it's like a good little thing for an evening out, but it also comes with, and it's got 2 card slots inside. It also comes with a crossbody strap that is detachable, right? It's not adjustable, but it's detachable. So you can wear a shoulder, wear a crossbody. And also you can just kind of wear this. You know, I love to do this, but you can just wear this as its own little necklace, right? 2 in 1. It smells so nice. But yeah, I didn't want to get another wallet on chain. There's so many of those, you know. But I thought this was a cool little different thing from wallet on chain. Obviously, it's not as practical. It's not as big, but the top handle makes it a little cool, I thought, and something different and a little like, you know, it's like a, I mean, it's obviously like kind of like a bigger than Mini Kelly shape. Not really though, because and the zipper thing is nice, and I like the big. And it's caviar. So anyway, those are the two things I got. I went to all the other stores. I was not able to find anything. I've texted all my essays here. I'm going to still wait and see if I can get anything here. But yeah, that's where I'm at right now. Let me know if you guys have gotten anything. Let me know what you think. Do you like Matthieu's collection? I think there's a lot of really cool things. I think there's a lot of really cool bags. I know everyone was obsessed with those, the shoes and stuff like that. Obviously, I'm not getting the shoes and a few of the jackets, which were a couple of cute ones too, but I didn't end up getting any of those. Anyway, that's all I got. Let me know what you think in the comments below, and I love you guys, okay? Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, please consider subscribing. Please smash that like button. Please share with your friends and family. Hit it, share with your enemies next, because I know your time is valuable. I know your time is precious, so I appreciate you spending your time here with me. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.